today's intro for you guys. Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you all are having a good day. Well, today it's a sunny day for a change, and I have a special delivery for my Peugeot 206 over here. I've been searching for this part for a very long time, and it's pretty rare, and I found it actually in England, UK. So I ordered it, and a couple days it arrives to me. So it's gonna make interior so good and clean. So it's here in this box.
Whoa, what's in the box? Don't worry about it.
And I already opened it.
What's in the box?
I already see it.
Box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay.
Okay, so here we have our new leather dash cover for 206. This is originally came in the RC models or like GTI models in England, but not in all. It was a special package in which it came in the GTI model and of course in every RC model. So it's pretty rare because there are not many RCs like broken and sold in parts, so it's pretty hard to find. And even if you find one, it's very likely to be very damaged and scratch or something like that. I got my hands in this nice, really well protected leather dash cover. It has this nice gray stitching that will work phenomenally with my D&D steering wheel. So yeah, it's pretty easy install, so I'll show you how it's done. So here we are, and here is the old cluster cover. So as you can see, it's plastic, but it's in really good condition. So if any one of you guys want it, I am willing to sell it. And now I'm gonna take this off and put this leather one in. As you can see guys, here on the steering wheel I have this nice gray stitching as well as it has here, so it will work great. I'm pretty excited about this, so let's do it. Okay, it's actually pretty easy. You just need to pull this. I have showed this in my videos where I change the lights on the clusters. So yeah, just like pull it towards you, and it will come right off. So yeah, I'm selling this plastic cluster cover. It's pretty well preserved, it's not broken, so if any guys, if you want it, are willing to sell it. Just slowly put it in there. Oh yeah, it's in place and it looks awesome. Ta-da! This is how it looks, and it's pretty clean actually. I'm gonna show you now. So we have gray stitching here and gray stitching there. Pretty clean look. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, I changed my seat settings. So as you can see, now I'm using this side mounts because I removed the seating base. It wasn't right for me. So yeah, I have modified the rails for the seat to fit in my 206, and then I have modified these side brackets, side mounts. You can call it however you want. So actually, yeah, and I have mounted this this door protected, I don't know how you call it, but actually this rubber comes here. It's like some door trim to protect your doors from hitting in other cars. I have used that to protect my seat from scratching this fiber, mostly here on the edges, here and here, to play this plastic, because they're on the passenger side. I didn't do that. Here you can see how it looks without that rubber. I actually modified the height of the side brackets because it was a lot higher, this much higher, so I needed to cut it and paint it black again. As you can see here, the side bracket is pressing on the seat. So just in a couple days of driving, the side bracket damaged the seat. I will need to pull out the seat and put the rubber on the side brackets like I did on the driving seat. It's not a big deal because it can be repaired pretty easily, just I don't want it to spread further. So this is how interior looks now. It's pretty awesome actually. I'm pretty in love in how it looks. The seat, the steering wheel, the dash, everything is coming together pretty well. Actually, I have a new carpet as well for the car. They're black and a little bit dirty. They are in car for a couple days now. I did the seats and the carpets a week ago because it was raining pretty heavily past few weeks, so I actually wanted to record doing this with the seats, but we literally have raised the rain the day when I had finished these seats and the mounting brackets for the seat. The moment I have tightened the last bolt, it started raining. So my girlfriend and I had to rush to clean up everything and to put everything back in, and it was crazy. So yeah, I didn't record that, but here is some update for you guys. Side mounted seats. For you guys who didn't watch the last video, D&D steering wheel, and now the leather dash cover. I have new parts for this car as well, but I will install them in the next video, so you guys should stay posted for the new logs. And damn, I'm pretty happy how it looks. So yeah, as I was editing this video, I noticed that I didn't finish the video, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to show you guys some parts that I get. So here I have new spacers for the 2.6, A-Bach spacers for 2.6, 15mm, so that will make the S of our 2.6 a little bit beefier and meaner and sexier. So yeah, that will look awesome, but this I will do in the next video because I'm waiting for some parts, so I want to make one video with installation of all these parts. Thank you guys for watching one more time. Like the video. If you didn't like the video, leave the like anyway, leave the comments below, and see you in the next one.